Hi, I'm Dr. Jacob Teitelbaum, and welcome back to the Tired, Achy, Brain Fog, Can't Sleep. It's optional series. So, we're going to teach you today why we are seeing the perfect storm for a human energy crisis. Because if you haven't noticed, about 31% of adults are really severely dragging, and most everybody would like more energy. And simple question is, why is this going on? Well, we're seeing that for a number of reasons. Number one, the modern American diet has lost over half of the vitamins and minerals in food processing. In my opinion, virtually everybody would benefit from increased nutritional support because it's really impossible or near impossible to get everything you need out of the what's called Standard American Diet or SAD, which is a good acronym. So I think good nutritional support is critical because, again, just to kind of highlight the problem, this is the first time in human history where we are seeing people be both obese and malnourished at the same time. It really kind of blows the mind. Now, in addition to poor nutrition, we are also seeing that most adults in modern life are sleep deprived. It helps to know what the average night's sleep was until 140 years ago. Basically, for most of human history, the average night's sleep was 9 hours a night. And then light bulbs were invented, and now we're down to 6 and 3/4. So, for those of you who realize that you really need your 9 hours sleep, you don't have to feel like a sleep glutton. That's just normal. It's everybody else who is basically sleep deprived. Meanwhile, we also have increased stress of modern life and increased speed of modern life. It's funny, you turn on the news and everything these days is a crisis. It's not what the news is, it's what's today's crisis and why you should hate everybody. Just turn all that stuff off. And meanwhile, we also have 85,000 chemicals added to our modern environment, many of which are wreaking havoc with our hormonal systems. So, in this upcoming series, we're going to teach you how to simply address all of these things that are going on so you can feel fantastic. I invite you to join me for the upcoming segment where we will talk about surprising effects of the human energy crisis. See you then.